Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use ManyChat step by step. ManyChat is a powerful automation tool that helps businesses manage conversations on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and even TikTok. It allows you to automate replies, engage with potential customers, and drive more sales without spending hours responding to messages manually. Whether you're running an online store, a coaching business, or just want to improve your response time on social media, ManyChat is a game changer. So let's get started. First, head over to ManyChat.com and click on Get Started at the top right. You'll be directed to choose a platform. Here, you can pick from Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram. For this video, I'm going to choose Instagram. After clicking on Instagram, I need to sign up for ManyChat. I can do this using either my Google account or my Facebook account. I'm going to continue with Google, so I'll click on Continue with Google and select my account. Once my Google account is connected, ManyChat asks me to select the type of category I work in. Here, you can choose from options like business, marketing agency, freelancer, etc. Since I'm a freelancer, I'll select that and click Next. Now ManyChat asks me to connect my Instagram account. There are two options. First is Go to Instagram, which directly links my Instagram account. The second one is Connect with Meta Business Suite, which allows me to manage Instagram and Facebook together under Meta. Since Meta owns both Instagram and Facebook, choosing Connect with Meta Business Suite will link both platforms at once. But if I only want to connect Instagram, I can click Go to Instagram. For this video, I'll go with Go to Instagram. Now I'm redirected to Instagram, where it asks for permission to access my messages. I'll click Allow, and after that, I'm redirected back to the ManyChat app. Here, ManyChat asks me to pick a plan. For now, I'm going to start with the free plan. So I'll click on Try for Free. Next, it asks me to select a strategy that best describes my interest in using ManyChat. I'll choose the one that fits my needs. Then it asks what other marketing and business tools I use. I'll select None for now and click Next. And that's it. I'm now redirected to the ManyChat dashboard. Now that we're inside the ManyChat dashboard, let's explore what we have here. At the top, I can see different automated activity tracking options. This is where I can monitor everything happening on my connected accounts. For example, I can see incoming comments, story replies, direct messages, and story mentions. Right now, since we just set up the account, ManyChat is still gathering data, so it may take some time before it starts displaying real-time updates. On the left-hand side, we have the main menu, which includes different sections like contacts, automation, live chat, and settings. Each of these plays a crucial role in managing and automating conversations. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's click on Contacts. Right now, it says, you don't have any contacts yet. That's because we haven't interacted with anyone through ManyChat yet. But as people start engaging with your automated messages, whether they comment on a post, reply to a story, or send you a direct message, their information will be automatically saved here. ManyChat also allows you to manually add contacts if you already have a list of people you want to reach out to. This can be useful for businesses that already have customer databases and want to bring them into the ManyChat system for automated communication. Next, let's head over to automation. This is where the magic happens. ManyChat allows you to create powerful automation flows that handle conversations without you having to manually reply every time. Here, you have an option to create new automation. You can either start from scratch or use one of the pre-built templates provided by ManyChat. We'll come back to this in a bit because setting up automation is a key part of using ManyChat effectively. Now let's go to live chat. This is where you can manually interact with people instead of relying on automation. For example, if someone messages you about a product and your bot responds, but they have a specific question, you can jump in and continue the conversation in real time. You can manage open and close conversations, organize chats with tags, and ensure a smooth mix of automation and personal interaction. Now let's get into the most important part, creating an automation. Click on Automation on the left, then click New Automation. Now that we're inside the Automation tab, let's set up our first chatbot flow. Here, I can see several pre-built templates like auto DM links from comments, which automatically sends direct messages to people who comment on your posts. There's also Generate Leads with Stories, which helps you capture leads by engaging with people who reply to your Instagram stories. Another one is Automate Conversations with AI, which allows you to set up AI-powered responses to handle customer interactions more efficiently. ManyChat provides a wide range of recommended templates, which are the ones most commonly used by people. But beyond that, there are also additional templates available for us to explore. If you prefer complete control, you can also start from scratch. You'll see an option in the top right corner that says Start from Scratch. For this video, I'm going to click on that and walk you through how to create an automation from the ground up. Click on Untitled, which is the automation you just created, by clicking on Start from Scratch. Now we need to set up a trigger. A trigger is what starts the automation. Click New Trigger, and you'll see several options, like User Sends Message, User Comments on a Post, and User Replies to your story. Let's set up an automated reply when someone sends a message. Select User Sends Message. Now, you can either let ManyChat detect the intent of the message using AI, or you can set up specific keywords. The AI option is useful if you want ManyChat to analyze messages and respond accordingly. But for now, I'll set up a keyword-based automation. For example, if you're running an Instagram page and you want people to get the price of product when they DM a certain word, you can set up a trigger for that. Let's say if a message contains the word price, ManyChat will send them a link automatically. I'll type price as the keyword. You can also add a message condition. From here, you can click on Message Contains option to select through different conditions. For example, I select Message Doesn't Contain Condition, and then I'll click on Add Text and add Hey as a message. Now our automated message will be triggered if the user's message doesn't contain a hey in it. Now, we need to decide what happens next. You can see here the Then option is linked to another condition named Send Message. Click on it. Here you can type the response you want ManyChat to send. For example, I'll type, Hey, thanks for contacting me. Here is a link to all the product prices. If you want to include a button, click Add Button, select Open Website, and paste the link to your guide or product page. I'll add a link to Kalsa's website. You can also name the button if you want to. Now, whenever someone sends a message containing the word price, they'll instantly get a reply with the link. You can also add buttons, images, or even delays, making the conversation feel more natural. Delay is used to add a delay before the message is sent to make it feel more human. In the More section, there are more options to add. For example, you can add audio, video, and cards. Once that's done, click Set Live on the top right. It will display a message that your first automation is live. Now, whenever someone DMs you with the keyword price, ManyChat will instantly reply with your preset message and link. Let me test it now. I'll head over to another account, and here I have open profile of my other account, on which ManyChat's automation feature is set live on. I'll click on Message, and I am redirected to the DMs. I'll type price and send it, and there we go. It triggers the message, and I can see my automated message that I set earlier is being sent to me. Let's click on the button. It is redirecting me the Kalsa website. That's perfect. ManyChat doesn't stop there. You can create multiple automations for different keywords, helping you automate customer interactions effortlessly. For example, you can set up automations for answering frequently asked questions, providing discount codes when users DM a specific word, sending appointment booking links, collecting emails for your newsletter, and much more. ManyChat's free version allows you to automate up to 1,000 messages per month, segment contacts with up to 10 tags, and integrate with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. If you need more features, the Pro plan starts at just $15 per month and includes SMS, email marketing, advanced campaigns, and unlimited contact automation. There is also an Elite plan available, which can be customized according to your needs. So, is ManyChat worth it? If you run an online business or manage a brand on Instagram, I'd say absolutely. It helps you save time, automate your marketing, and increase engagement with potential customers. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use ManyChat to automate responses and grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.